Hi, my name is Josh Young. I'm a mechanical engineer from Austin, Texas, and this is my project, P.A.S S, Pollution Analytics Shared Socially.
Can you tell us more about the project?
Sure. So what I got working right now, I'll walk you through the design diagram. So the plan for the project is it's going to track air quality from the air, from pollution sources and clean air sources, monitor that with different sensors. I want to track the 6 EPA data points for pollution and perhaps particulate measurement as well. I'll have a power supply with voltage regulation. I'll be running that off a microcontroller that will then transmit that data via an S.P.A.S.S ESP8266 wireless module. The wireless module will then transmit that to either a user's app, to a web database, or to their computer. Working on that structure as well.
Okay, can you tell us what's working right now?
Sure. So what I got right here is I got a moisture sensor that's hooked up to my microcontroller, and this is able to track and log moisture content events. So it's basically an electrical sensor that is being state tracked by my microcontroller. The microcontroller is tracking the value of this between a range of 0 to 100% moisture according to this analog sensor. And that value is then put into my S.P.A.S.S 8266 wireless module and sent to IFT and ThingSpeak for data tracking. With the combination of the IFT and the ThingSpeak tools, I am actually able to track the data, and for the first warning event, it actually tweets me. So I can actually get it to tweet me if there's a leak event. So once you have the software set up, you could have it send you events when there are certain trigger warnings. And right now I got a diagram of it. This is the proposed design. It's a sort of cylindrical shingled shell system. So the layered shingles are allowing you to get air to communicate with your pollution sensors, but it will keep the water shedding off your electronics.
Cool.
Yeah, so at this point you can actually text it and request data from the device. It can send you warnings for preset levels, or you can just track it to a straight data list.
So what's on your to-do list next?
Right, so I've been waiting very patiently for my parts, and unluckily they had not got here yet, so I'm going to jump on that tomorrow. So in order to get my pollution sensor working, I need to combine a couple of variable voltage regulators and a solid state relay. Once I have a solid state relay and a variable voltage regulator, that will allow me to toggle the required voltage for my carbon monoxide sensor. The way the carbon monoxide sensor works is it has a 5-volt input for the heater plate, and it just uses a low voltage and a high voltage setting to output values that are read from a data table to figure out the pollution.
Cool, that sounds good.
Thank you.